Goodness gracious. Hey everybody, this is Gigi Faison here, coming to you with time to put away my Christmas decor. I want you to see the mess. I want you to see the storm before the calm and before I get it all put back together. I want you to see now. I just want you to see how amazed this is gonna look when it's all said and done. I think what I'm gonna do in this closet here is put all of my ornaments. I'm gonna place them very neatly and have them facing the clear containers, facing my way, so that when I am looking to get them next year, I hopefully will have a clean sight line. This is also where I keep my extra bedding. So I'm going to get to work here, and when it is complete, whether it's today, tomorrow, or next week, hopefully it's going to be today. I want to get this done. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. This is the first year that I'm going to actually do it this way. I realized last year in December when I was getting my things out, this tub is actually holding my greenery for the stairs. This is some of the stuff I've already gotten boxed up. I try to coordinate my things as I take them down. Didn't do as good of a job last year as I wanted to, but I'm actually starting a little bit earlier, and hopefully I can get it all done. Now this sweet baby right here is from Boston Hill. I actually put this together myself. It was very easy to put together. And what I'm going to do, I haven't put any ornaments in it as of yet. But as I said, it was very easy to put together. All I had to do was the frame of it there. There was a couple screws to put in the frame, and then pull the covering up over it. And then there are some drawers that I can insert in, and then they also have the liners to place the ornaments. I got this on clearance from Boston Hill. I think it was like maybe, I don't remember. You can check their site. Don't remember exactly how much it was, but it was on clearance. So I'm excited about this because every year my ornaments are in all different containers. So this is actually, here is my some of my trees and some of my decorative pieces that I use in my decor. This is my gold container. Then I have some with the silver, and then I have some with the white, some with the red. So I'm trying to just separate it all out and have it facing me nice and neatly. And then I hope that this baby right here will hold all of my ornaments. I don't know. I have quite a bit of I have quite a collection of ornaments because of the number of trees in which I put up. But I am excited about having them all in one location, and I think I have the perfect spot for it to sit, but I'm not quite sure yet. I won't know until I get to that point. But as you can see, this is the storm right now. This is what I'm faced with. This is all in one room, and some of the things that I didn't use on this past Christmas, it's like a half a box here of the white decorative pieces, so I will continue to fill that box. This box here is also of red. think this one is full. Yeah, that one is full. So I'm going to stack these nice and neat into the closet, get some of the things out of the way, and then I'll come back and share with you maybe part 2 um, of what this is going to look like. Don't get discouraged. It's not that bad. It's just a few containers that need to be put away. My hubby has not been up here to see all of this, so shh, don't tell him. I will call him in when it's all said and done. Over here you see some of my reindeer that haven't found a home or box yet. And a few of my trees. I know where they are supposed to go. They're supposed to go here with the white. So I'm going to jump off for now. Hopefully when I come back tonight to share with you, excuse me, share with you what it looks like when it's all said and done. Again, this is Gigi Faison. I thank you for checking in to look to see the storm before the calm, putting away my Christmas decor. If I hope that you have enjoyed me sharing with you a part of my life and a part of my messiness. But I'm about to clean it up. I'm going to get busy with this. So you guys have a super blessed night. Come back to see me later. Leave a comment if you have a mess that you haven't put away, your Christmas decor. If you hit me up, I might come help you if you need me to. This is something I really like to do. I like to organize my stuff. I like it nice and neat. But as you always know, when you're trying to get something together, you have to make a mess before you can get that done. So again, this is Gigi Faison. I'm sorry for the cough. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. And if you're already a subscriber, then share me with someone else. Just let them know that even the best of us sometimes make a mess. And then we clean it up. Subscribe, tap that notification bell. Leave me a comment if you would. And share this video with someone else because I'm going to show you that I'm going to really clean this up. So I thank you for checking in. Have a super blessed night. Goodbye for now. It's Gigi Faison.